Today's 8th of October 2021. We got inside Pohjoisranta most 14 stickers in, but we'll take only one of two because this is not important. With Sandy Moras, Juniors in the last year 2020 by Liftmec. The original built by Otis in 1928. The C number is 14025, capacity is 3.05 horse. Big ride. Really bad motorization.
Yeah.
Well, they should have been here in the last year.
Yeah.
Yes, that's still original. And this is also in Kronhagen and Helsinki as for Finland. The choice of buttons was almost the worst possible one.
Yeah.
Or yeah, I would say the worst possible. Because I mean this is in different versions. This is a very bad one.
Yeah.
This has been seen on some novel memorizations.
Yeah.
In Meilahti, Pasiuksen Kari, for example.
Yeah.
It's the same.
Yeah.
I think one lift uses them also.
Mm.
And they're really bad. Doesn't fit in here. Only that this mirrored panel is good, but otherwise the buttons are bad.
Yeah. It's stitched by it's built maintained by Liftmec.
Yeah. And I think they also took away that old metal plate that was there with the Otis logo. Used to be there probably.
Yeah.
And on this panel it doesn't even say it used to be Otis.
Yeah.
But we know it's Otis due to the serial number. It will be inspected in the next year, 2022. That's it. The cab is good, but the panels are bad.
That's it.